Hello, welcome to day 16 of Stitching Something. Hi, my name is Amber, and this is my channel, A Foxcloud's Handiwork. I've been doing a series called Stitching Something, where I make some sort of craft or do some stitching of some sort. And day 16, here we go. It's a little bit of a shorter project, but it's something that's been on my to-do list. So I mentioned in another video, one thing I've really enjoyed about this series is I'm finally getting to that to-do list of mending and stitching items. I have this beautiful applique pillow that I actually got at a thrift store, and it definitely looks handmade. I'll be sure to put some close-up pictures in a moment. However, it has, it's starting to come undone. I did wash it, and I think that like the weak spots, it kind of came undone a little bit. So my plan in today's video is to give this sweet pillow some much needed TLC. Can you help me sew? Yeah. As I've had a closer look at this pillow, I don't think this is the first time it's been mended. Getting close and personal, the lighter thread you can see prominently in the middle here, I think that's been mended because a lot of the applique has a dark blue thread, but then there are patches where there is the lighter thread. So kind of neat knowing that this garment or this object has gone through multiple mendings and being taken care of. I think it's just a really beautiful pillow. The lighting, I think the close-ups are a little better at capturing it, but just like really subtle colors, beautiful geometric design. So this pillow has been mended once again and is part of my cozy home. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks so much for following along. If you like this or if you've been enjoying my videos, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.